Well, the pandemic has caused shutdown stress and financial strains for local restaurants. But on top of all of that, restaurants are also getting harassed for enforcing masks inside their private businesses. Good evening, Maya Signs.
And I'm Courtney Johns. According to one restaurant, someone with the virus even got upset when they weren't allowed inside and then took it out on staff. 3 News Now reporter Ruta Olsenitis spoke with the restaurant owners who say enough is enough.
Block 16 in downtown Omaha has been a staple in the area for many years. To increase safety during the pandemic, the restaurant has been takeout only for months and requires all customers to wear a mask, but not without some pushback.
A lot of cursing going around.
Co-owner Paul Urban says employees have been harassed, belittled simply for doing their jobs and enforcing safety rules, even by people who have COVID-19 and choose to still try to enter the business.
There was someone that it was brought up that they had COVID, and our staff obviously didn't want them in here, and also still offered to bring it out to their car and put it on the hood of their car, and they weren't okay with that, and they ended up saying some pretty nasty things to them.
Urban says it's affecting morale in an already stressful time.
Just because you took out your one frustration on one person that day, there's like 10 other people that are doing it to that same person, and it's pretty unfair.
Ming's restaurant in Papillion has been happily serving customers for 30 years. But the happiness came to a halt in 2020 when the beloved owner, Ming Wang, took a vacation before anything was known about the virus.
They went on a cruise down in Australia in March, and he ended up getting COVID, exposed to COVID down there. Got back home and got sick, went into the hospital end of March, and was on a ventilator for 74 days.
Ming Wang passed away at 71 years old, leaving a legacy and a business behind to his son.
They're huge shoes, and I'm trying to fill them. I told my wife and my mom, I was like, listen, I was like, if I can just get one big toe into his shoe, then we're well on our way.
Wang requires masks in the restaurant for obvious reasons. And even after the tragic events that unfolded, some uncooperative customers continue to berate the staff.
It's not my employees' fault. It's not their policy, it's mine. So don't take it out on them.
These restaurant owners prioritize safety at the cost of getting a few disrespectful words thrown their way. They say they can take it, but the employees shouldn't have to.
Some tears have been, dropped and shed and this and stuff, but it's like, Dad always said that, the happiness and safety and health of everybody, including employees and customers, outweigh the mighty dollar.
And so happiness, safety, and health will continue to be top priority for these restaurants and many others across the metro. Reporting in Omaha, Ruta Olsenitis, 3 News Now.
And we'll have more information on how you can support these restaurants and many others on our website, 3newsnow.com.